I just lost $154. It doesn't feel good. It happened quickly in about 5 minutes, and that is day trading. It is not a great feeling, especially when you're losing. And if you put together 3 losses in a row, 4 losses in a row, it starts to really play with your mind. And that's why I'm posting 20 trades. I'm through, this is my 7th trade. And I've had multiple losers in a row. I had the last 2, I think, were losers. I started out on a really good run, making good money, putting together some winners, feeling great. And then now I've put together like 3 losses in a row. And this is what happens every single time to me personally, and I'm sure to you, that all of a sudden, when you get those 3 losers, you get those 4 losers in a row, you don't want to do this anymore. You want to switch things up. You want to change. You don't want to be consistent in your strategy. You want to find some new shiny object and go on from there. Oh, this thing's not working anymore. You know what? I don't like it. And that's where we're all failing when it comes to day trading, especially because the key to success is actually fighting through those losses. Because just statistically speaking, you're never going to have a strategy that's going to have you winning 100% of the time. It's just not going to happen. So you have to focus on the law of large numbers. And that's what I have to remind myself of, because this morning, while I'm sitting here putting this trade on and just losing money right out the gate, it doesn't feel good. And now knowing that I have to post it out to YouTube because I said I was going to do it. So it kind of sucks. Throw a like my way if you feel bad for me. Anyway, I went into here. Let me show you exactly what I did. It's all about volume for me. I'm just trading the futures on the S&P 500. And it's all about volume and cracking that 15 EMA. That's all I really want to look for. Now, there was some news. It was the CPI, I believe. The ISM numbers came out. I let them kind of simmer, see how people were going to react. And when we got this big green volume here on the 5-minute candle, I decided, okay, that's it. Big candle on the 5-minute, crack over the 15 EMA. This might be a potential move because all I want to do personally is just follow volume. So I got in. Now, this has worked for me many times in the past, but this is one of those times where it didn't work. So I entered right here on the green line. You can see down here, I entered with 3 contracts, okay? 4755. Now, unfortunately, I have it set up where I could sell 4 contracts. You can see here, I had an order in to sell 1 contract at 4,769. So I just give myself 4 points. That's the trading plan, and I try to get out. Now, it's my fault because I forgot to click transmit. You see here, if I click here and I say, hey, sell, it'll pop up on it. But unfortunately, in Interactive Brokers, I have to then come down to orders and click transmit. And I forgot to do that. So even though the price came up and did touch 4769, it unfortunately did not sell. Now, the reason I do that is because I'm trying to mitigate my risk in case what happens right here, it falls all the way down and I lose money. So I would have made $20 up on top here, and then I obviously would have been losing less on the way down here because I only would have had 2 contracts on. So that would have mitigated a lot of my risk. Unfortunately, because I messed up, I'm going to take ownership for that. I wasn't able to do it. I had it come down. It blew out my stop, which the stop is set below that first volume candle that you get, and I lose $154. What am I going to do? Made a mistake. I tried the trade. I got in. It didn't work out for me. Unfortunately, I messed up the trade too. I lost more than I should have. Now, I'm still not losing that much. I'm keeping my losses small, 154. Now it's at $4,600 account. So I have some room here to play. It's all about staying alive. This is the 7 of 20 trades. I had some winners before, and now I'm going on a losing run. So it's important for me to stay positive, to stick with the plan, and just keep going through the 20 trades. You never know, from here, I could go on 3 or 4 winners, 5 winners, right? And then all of a sudden, everything turns around. So I need to keep that in mind. Stick to a plan and stay consistent. Remember that the next time you're trading, and if you're interested, follow along to see how I'm going here. I'm posting my losers. You're seeing it over and over again. So if you want to see someone real, who's just like you, who's trying to become a better day trader, who's already a successful trader in other avenues, but trying to be successful in day trading, then follow along. Let's see how I do here with these 20 trades. Thanks for sticking around this long, and I'll catch you on the next one.